In today's video, we'll show you how to maximize your earnings using the MineLab World Referral Program. Let's dive in. First, log into your MineLab World account with your username, password, and CAPTCHA. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the referral section and click on My Referral. A new page will open where you'll find your unique referral link. Share this link with your friends and network through platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, YouTube, or email, etc. Whenever a new user registers through your referral link, your earnings will start immediately. MineLab World offers an amazing 5-level referral income scheme as shown in the diagram on the screen. Level 1, earn 5% of their investment. Level 2, earn 3%. Level 3, earn 1. Level 4, earn 0.5. Level 5, earn 0.25. You can pause the video and check out the diagram. Let's take a look at an example. I'm logged in as Pradeep Kumar. His referral tree looks like this. Under my referrals, you can see all users who joined under you and their levels. For instance, Rantir Singh is in level 1 and Rajesh Kumar is in level 2. Each level contributes to your referral income, helping you build a sustainable earning network. To track your earnings, go to the Referral Bonus Log section in the menu. Here you'll find details such as the amount you earn, level of the referral, the percentage you earned, the exact timestamp of the transaction. For example, you earned $25 on July 31 at 6:40 p.m. from a level 1 referral and $50 on July 27 in the same level. Impressive, right? That's not all. You can even use your referral earnings to purchase mining plans directly from your dashboard. Lastly, head back to the dashboard to check your referral bonus balance. For instance, Pradeep Kumar's balance shows $155. And that's it for today's video. Start leveraging the power of referrals with MineLab World and unlock a world of passive income opportunities. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. See you next time.